First, I'm taking the light green shade from the James Charles palette and putting it all in my crease. Then I'm going in with the dark green shadow from the palette and darkening up the crease. Next step, I'm taking some concealer and cutting my crease. I haven't done this in forever, so please excuse the sloppy lines. After the crease is cut, I'm taking the shimmery white shade and putting it all over where I put the concealer. And then I do a jump cut because I literally cannot do a thin eyeliner wing on camera. I'm sorry. Then I'm taking my mascara and putting it on my lashes. I feel like this look would have been super cute with some really dramatic lashes, but I'm trying to keep my lashes healthy. And then the look is all done. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
You're charged with high treason, Tink. Are you guilty or not guilty? Guilty? But don't you know you might have killed her? Tinkerbell,